Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I received the silver play button from YouTube for hitting my 100,000 subscribers. I went away from the weekend and came back to a little package sitting on my desk, and I'll have to find somewhere here to put it in the videos. So awesome celebration. We're already at 150,000 subscribers, so the last couple of months has been pretty crazy. Thank you guys for subscribing and joining me on this journey. Today I'm going to show you how to make a yesterday, today, and Amaro. This one was brought to my attention by Stefan. Thank you, Stefan. He is probably the most active person on commenting on YouTube, Instagram, and our Facebook group. If you aren't a member of the Facebook group, I'll leave a link to that in the description below so you can check it out. There's a lot of people posting their cocktail recipes and sharing their photos, and it's a good little community. I think there's about 350 people there so far, but if you're keen to join, follow the link in the description below. This particular cocktail recipe Stefan found in Amaro by, I think the author's name is Brad Thomas. I'll correct myself in the first comment if I'm wrong. I can't remember. But anyways, let's get onto the drink and make it. So it's going to use a rye whiskey, and then it's got some bitter Amaros. It's got the herbal liqueur. So there's going to be a lot of complexity to this drink. But the dominant ingredient, 2 ounces, 60 ml of your rye whiskey. Of course, you can choose whatever whiskey you prefer. Bull is what I've got on the shelf. And then Cynar. So 15 ml, half an ounce. And then follow that with Averna. So it's a softer Amaro, so it's not overly bitter. It's quite nice. It's probably a good entry level Amaro to start with. So 1/4 ounce, 7.5 ml, and 7.5 ml, 1/4 ounce for your Dom Benedictine, the herbal liqueur. And I'm always giving shout outs, so I want to say thank you to the people on Patreon. You guys have been really supportive as well, and especially of late, I've been quite average at doing extra behind the scenes footage and stuff like that, just because I'm so damn busy and trying to do a lot of videos at the same time. So it's tough, but I owe you guys a lot, and I will make up for it. So to finish off the cocktail, fill your mixing glass with ice and give it a stir. Of course, if you prefer, you could mix this straight in the glass, pour it over ice. I just want to add a little bit extra dilution. So I'm going to stir for about 30-40 seconds. And if I don't stir for 30 or 40 seconds, it's for the sake of the video. I always get people pull me up whenever I say shake for 12 seconds, and I shake for 3. So add ice to your double old fashioned glass and strain over the top. And if you prefer, you could add a little bit of a citrus twist, whether it be lemon or orange. I'd probably recommend orange, but I'm just going to serve it straight up. There you have the yesterday, today, and Amaro. Cheers. Definitely get the Cynar and the Averna on the nose. Wow, that's rich. A little bit of sweetness coming through, subtle bitterness, and a fair bit of spice. It's a very complex drink, and it's definitely something you want to stir down and sit on ice. It's very tasty. Thanks, Stefan. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and hit that bell button. Cheers.